Here I have GOCLEVER Quantum 250N, and let me show you how to insert here two SIM cards and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off, tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to open the back cover. You can do it by using the cavity right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply use your nail finger to open this. Then let's open the whole thing from the bottom of your device to the top. Excellent, let's do it as possible softly. And now, in order to enter here SIM cards, you need to remove the battery. So let me do it. And as you can see here, you can insert one regular SIM card, one micro SIM and one micro SD. So let's start by using the regular SIM card. This is my card, the regular size, with the characteristic edge right here, and you need to put this card into the lowest slot in that position. So let me do it. Wait a few seconds, you have to do it like that. Alright, let's press it to the end. That's it. Now let's insert the micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. You need to put this card in that position into the left slot. Sorry, let's do it here. And also let me press it to the end. Excellent. Now let's insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position. Let's press it to the end. Make sure that both cards suit to your device. Now let's put back the battery, insert the back cover, and let me make sure that both cards, that all of these three cards works properly in this device. Alright, now you can press power key to switch on the GOCLEVER. Let's wait until the device will be completely switched on. As you can see, both cards are detected. Right here you've got the information. You have to choose your primary card. Let me choose the first one. Let's unlock the screen, tap apps icon. Let's find and select the settings. You can also make sure about this by choosing the SIM cards. And as you can see, the device is reading our two SIM cards. The phone detects the network. Let's go back. You may also scroll down and choose the storage and USB. It's under device tab. And as you can see, the device is reading our micro SD. So everything went well. We just installed two SIM cards and micro SD properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.